Hi friends, today we are driving towards a very beautiful place in Salalah, and this place is called as the Zeek Mountains, and this is the base of the mountains. This is called as Sahalnut. There's a place here called as Ain Sahalnut, which is a small water body where a lot of people come to see this beautiful place. And from there, if you go upwards, you can climb this Zeek mountain. Now we are going towards this place. It's a very, very beautiful place in Salalah, and especially during this Khareef, this place becomes really very beautiful with greenery all around. You can see greenery on both sides of the road, and you can see a lot of vehicles coming down from the mountains. These are tourists who have come from different parts of the world, especially from the GCC countries, from the Gulf countries, the neighboring Gulf countries like Kuwait, Qatar, UAE and many other countries. And they're all coming down from the mountains now after a drive in the evening. Today is weekend, and you can see a lot of people going towards this place. We have reached the foothill of the mountain, and you can see the beautiful mountain from here. The fog-filled mountains, the mountains covered with fog, and you can see the greenery like carpet on the mountains. Wow, look at the beauty, look at the mountain covered with the greenery. It's a pleasure to drive on these roads, with these winding roads and these ups and downs and small valleys and greenery all around. Wow, look at the beauty. This is the road to Ain Sahalnut. As I told you, the water body in Ain Sahalnut is a very attractive tourist spot. Many people go towards that place. Today we are not going towards that. We are going towards the Zeek Mountains now. We've started the climb towards the Zeek Mountains, and you can see different mountains on both sides of the road. One of the most beautiful roads in Salalah to the mountains of Salalah. There are different mountains all around Salalah, and all of them are beautiful tourist spots and beautiful roads to drive during Khareef. And this is one of the best ones in that, the most scenic and beautiful roads in Salalah. And they have widened this road this year. Earlier this road was a narrow road. Now they made it a little broader. It's 6 PM in the evening now, and it's getting dark, and that's why the view is not that great, because the lighting is very poor for the camera. But if we had come here in the morning, it would have been a real beautiful drive. countries are reeling under the scorching heat of the sun. Salalah is blessed with this beautiful weather during this Khareef season, which is a monsoon season, which is a rainy season in Salalah, and the temperature here is around 24 to 25 degrees centigrade. It's a pleasant weather, and it's a blessing, true blessing for this place in the middle of this middle of the Gulf, a greenery amidst the deserts. So people from all over these Gulf countries come to this place to enjoy this weather during this Khareef season. This is a beautiful place. We have parked our car here. Very few people coming to this place because it's a very isolated area, and people are scared to come to these roads because it's a real pure off-roading experience. You can see the beautiful roads here. Anybody would love to come and drive their SUVs and four-wheelers on these roads. Beautiful green carpet all around. This is a wonderful off-roading experience with our Pajero. You can see there's no road, just dirt all around. These beautiful purple flowers covering the entire mountain is a visual treat to the eyes. These are seasonal flowers and grow only during the Khareef time, and especially during the Khareef in places like this Zeek. Only problem in this area is the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes are really violent and they're very small mosquitoes. They keep biting you and you cannot enjoy the trip because of the mosquitoes. So whenever you come to a place like this, you should be taking all the precautions. You should use insect repellent creams or some perfumed moisturizing cream so that the mosquitoes don't bite you. Otherwise, it's real. You know, it will spoil the whole trip. These mosquitoes will spoil the whole trip.